Welcome to Unit 12. When was the last time you got some flowers? Or a box of chocolates? Or perhaps a bottle of wine? Well, I got a bottle of French wine about 2 weeks ago from a friend. I was really happy. Thanks, Josh. In this unit, you will learn how to ask for and offer things politely.
Would you like a biscuit?
Would you like to see my holiday photos?
Vegemite, kimbap, ritesh. Can you guess where these foods are from? In reading and speaking, you will read about what people eat in different parts of the world. Do you like fast food? In this unit, you can watch a video about the amazing Los Angeles food trucks. In vocabulary and speaking, you will practice ordering food in a cafe. Do you know what these signs mean? In everyday English, we will look at signs you can find in public places in Britain. Missed a class? Go online to learn and practice. Good luck. See you later.